Right? Right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Because you see why I say that, right? All right. Can I try that? Because I see you guys doing it for 60 days, and I have to know what it's like. Is it that amazing?
Just cool.
Oh, okay. It's kind of like...
Kind of like your spray that you have.
Yeah, that's exactly what it
I'll
is.
take some of that. Thanks.
What?
So rude.
Exactly. But I'm so not.
I
Like, that's what
know.
you don't get.
What?
No,
you are so.
All right. Have the choice.
Really?
Maybe.
No.
All right.
Ew.
This popcorn's kind of gross.
God.
See if it melts through. What'll happen? I better blow it out, huh?
No, see if it keeps on going.
If we can ruin this bowl, no one will care, right? Oh, it's gonna pop those kernels in our faces. That'll be a mess if it does that. Oh, that smells horrible. Sorry. Sorry, Janelle. I bet that blue Gatorade's flammable. That's like how Mr. Fart cooks popcorn. Oh, this popcorn tastes
It's pretty good.
Cajun style. If there's not a segment of Mr. Fart's cooking, I'm gonna be pissed.